Hi, Peanut. All right. I just want to introduce Peanut to the family here. 3 months old, cute little guy, feisty. Got a little bark to him, little bite, but he's good. Yeah, you good? You say hi? Oh, these dogs, there's dogs everywhere. All right, guys. Hey, welcome back to the channel, friends and family. So this is going to be my 6th vlog for my trip out here in the Philippines. There's some unfortunate events that are happening that's kind of forcing us to leave early due to some health concerns with somebody in my family. That being said, my trip is going to be cut short. I've grown to love so many things about being here, the Philippines, the food, the traveling, you name it. So I'm going to go on a quick little last motorcycle run. We're going to run down to the rice fields real quick, walk the beach a little bit, watch the sunset. So enjoy the last few hours here. I'm just going to take my bike down to the sea. I'm going to go walk on the beach. Enjoy the last day of.
Not last.
Well, yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, thanks for being a friend, man. Appreciate you showing me around. I wouldn't have this much fun without you, dude. Seriously, really been a.
Maybe next time it would be triple.
All right, that sounds good. It won't be long. I won't wait.
Ice cream?
Oh, get some ice cream. Oh, that sounds fun. I'm gonna do my last vlog here, and but you guys have fun. Enjoy it.
Okay, man.
All right, man. I'll see you. Come on, Peanut. All right. Let me back. Okay. Back to what's been going on. Been here for 6 weeks now. Got cut short due to my father having some health issues. So this vlog is really just a kind of a recap of what I got to do when I was out here. I went to the nearest island, which is the Cuatro Islands here in southern Leyte. So me and a friend I met, Chris, we went down there, met up with him, and rode our bikes down there, which was just absolutely, it was so much fun. I felt like I had just the first time in my life I had like freedom. Hoping that I had another 3 weeks here. I had so many things planned. I had plans to go over to Cebu and see southern Cebu, where you can swim with the whale sharks, go to the canyons. There's lots of waterfalls out here. I wanted to go to Siargao, which is the surf capital of the Philippines, and a lot of foreigners go there. Just, you know, get out and see different things, try some different foods, and do some of my own traveling. But sometimes things just don't go as planned, and that's okay, because this trip it's not about me, it's really about my father and him and me helping him out. But I really wanted to have that, I guess, that opportunity to do more vlogging. It's brand new to me. I really had to step out on a limb and get out of my comfort zone that I've been in. Got out here with a game plan of getting as much recording and videos as possible. So that's a little delayed. Hi, Bull. Hi. I think I saw you last time I was out here. Oh, there's another one right there. If you want to visit the Philippines, the best time is going to be from February to May. You're going to get the dry season. It's nice because, you know, it's nice when it rains, it cools things down, but you don't want it raining all the time. Probably some of the neatest things that I've really got to experience while I was here is, first of all, this is my first time on a major trip, being on the other side of the world from the United States. It's wild. I never imagined in my life that I would do this. So the food's been great. I got to see it from, you know, what they eat at home instead of compared to, I watch some of these vloggers, they're like, hey, Filipino food, and yeah, they're getting street food or they're getting like hotel food or like that, which is fine. But I actually got to see it from from a family that's traditions on certain types of food. There was some really neat drinks that we got to make. I got to see how they make this drink, and I'll the video what this drink is called. But what they do is they climb up and get fresh coconuts out of the tree, bring it down, they open up the coconuts, they collect all the coconut milk, and the coconut milk, this is probably boring, me just parked right here, so I'll drive. With the coconut milk, they put it in a big pan and add saltine crackers, or like their version of saltine crackers, to the coconut milk. And they also add cheese and sliced up coconut. They put it in a big pot, and it's a refreshing, popular drink that the locals make. So I'll definitely put a video. I got some B-roll of the drink, and I really wanted to climb up a coconut tree and show you guys my courage, my strength, or stupidity, but maybe it was a reason why I didn't, because I don't have time now. But another thing I got to really learn how to do is, as you see right here, I got a chance to, learn how to drive a motorcycle. And this by far has been the most thrilling aspect of my trip, because I'm 44 years young, and I've always been scared of, when I was 18, I sold motorcycles, but I never knew how to actually drive one. And so I got this opportunity to find a secondhand motorcycle, which you see here. It's a Honda 150L. It's a 150cc dirt bike motorcycle, enduro, we'll call it. It's a little small for me, but what a great learning bike. I got a chance to learn how to, I'll do like a little U-turn here. I've got a little bit of light left because I want to get the beach and walk there real quick. And so, yeah, I got a chance to really test my ability to learn something really fast, because when you drive out here, the rules are a little bit different. A lot of people drive motorcycles and scooters. There's also cars, there's pedicabs, there's tricycles, there's huge buses. Those are the scariest ones. And anything can happen. Dogs jump out in front of you all the time. Those are actually probably the biggest thing. There's always a wild dog or someone's dog that's gonna run out in front of you. And you got people that go down the wrong direction, their lights are off, all different driving styles, people that do or don't have their license. So yeah, the driving experience of learning a motorcycle has been crazy. And I've had a lot of close calls. All right, I'll catch up with you when I get to the sea. All right, welcome back. And so I just arrived here, and we're gonna go for a little bit of a walk. So come with me and check out this, gonna be a beautiful sunset. It's a little bit more cloudy today. Usually there's not a cloud in sight, so we're gonna get a different perspective of the sunset here. Hello, hi, how are you? Hi, hello. So yeah, here it is. I am at the sea, just down the street from our house. Pretty cool, huh? Beautiful day. The temperature is perfect. It's probably the same temperature as the water here. So just walk right in. Cool thing about being on this side is that you do get the sunset, which is a nice little add-on. So yes, I got a chance to learn how to ride a motorcycle, which is really cool experience, and I'm thankful for that, because I've been able to travel around and do things like see my dad. And hello, hi. Every time someone sees the camera, they're like, vlogger. So it's fun. But anyways, okay, back to what I was saying. I got to learn how to ride a motorcycle. It's been an excellent experience. It's been frightening. It's been exciting. It's really helped me with having to focus for a long period of time. I do enjoy that. When you are on a motorcycle, you really just, you're kind of with yourself. You're by yourself, and I hear people talk about the sense of freedom that you have, and I felt that. Yeah, and I didn't wreck it. Great experience. I want to show you guys this really random building here. Flip this around. It's kind of neat. I have no idea what it is, but let's walk it up here. Huh. I think a lot of these, this looks like it used to be some sort of, I have no clue at all. Wow, this is kind of neat. Curious. Alright, time for a cinematic shot. Let's try this. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna set up the tripod here, and we're just gonna enjoy this sunset together. And this is gonna be my last sunset, and not my last, but the last for now. So, all right, cinematic shot. Let's do number 5. Let's see here. Last vlog with the Kinga River Dam, I had the opportunity to pick up a lot of garbage out of the water that ends up in the sea, and this is a perfect example. As you can see, first of all, I thought it might have been a snake, but let's just check it out, and it looks like it is not a snake. What is it? Oh. All right, here we go. Hey, so yeah, this is what I've been talking about. This is definitely this is just a nasty rubber tire right here in the water. But hey, one more thing picked out of the ocean, out of the sea. One more thing picked out, and safer waters. So let's get out of here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this not the perfect skipping stone? Is it? All right, let's do it. Let's go get a practice shot, but let's get this in before. There it is. Yeah, that was a good one. Jack of all trade, master of none right there. Master stone skipper from across the globe. Here we go. You think you got skills? Come on, let's go. I'll skip stones better than you any day. All right. You guys have a good time. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next vlog. Bye.